Welcome to Apper. We make and survey videos about the language and culture of the Chuvash, a small Turkic nation in Russia. I'm Victor. Chances are, like me, you wonder about smaller languages. They are not available as a standard option in Google or YouTube. Here's a top list that will get you started with one of them. To see the preferences of the Chuvash viewers, we surveyed more than 50 channels that released videos in the language in 2021. They received a little above 1 million views in the same year. For a nation of 2 million people, this may be too little, still there is no lack of talent. Compared to 2020, other genres are present rather than just music videos from various concerts. However, concert videos are still the most viewed. It may be due to the fact that Chuvash search for relatable performers, down-to-earth artistry, and the unique sound of the regional music. A playlist with the videos is available. Besides, you can find the links and other information in the section below. To get more content similar to this, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, hit the notification bell and choose a setting. The video is closed captioned and translated, so make sure the subtitles are on. To change the language, go to the settings and from the subtitles choose English, Russian or Turkish. Before the top 10, let's take a look at some other videos and channels. They did not receive much love from the viewers, but are quite valuable to us. We begin with a video that features a performance at a folklore event. A group portrays a pagan sacrificial ritual to the deity Kiramet.
Ey şırlaqsam aslı giremet, tadaşa tırбула шегензе жетсең, будка вардан, ажа шишімірен, шумыр зенжен, узал зенжен, шожи зенжен, чыржун зенжен, сықлазадыр заңча.
A music video by band Shanu, which plays jazz, was inspired by Chuvash folk music. It is mystical in its imagery and delivery by Vera Kojamanov. Another music video which is criminally underrated is by band Diva Ethno Future Sound, that blends the ethnic Chuvash sound with other genres and combines it all in the Japanese aesthetic. Next honorable mention is exclusively a YouTube channel. While most of the videos we present here were produced for TV, Alexander Gerasimov is just a singer-songwriter with an acoustic guitar and a green screen and lovely heartfelt songs. We are moving on now to the actual top 10 of the most viewed Chuvash videos of 2021. But before we do, we ask again to like the video, subscribe to the channel and check out the ways to contribute or support us. Another YouTube channel we discovered in 2021 is by Ksyusha, who is an illustrator and is quite popular on Instagram. She started a YouTube channel to make quirky monologues in Chuvash, and how pleased we are. We only wish she continues and that her audience grows.
Мен қалзан напшынақта білместіп мүлерек қуғаналым пул аслығы пүри өншуге қай сирімбе қалыша дырадып, білместіп мәскер бір ек қалыш мала, мәскер сүтсе амала сирімбе. Жақта мына интерес пахат бір. Мен булать. Аллах прям швидевали и пшау дери евор тему сыламан. Чны бедасы не тему да сыламан. Анчакта может папери сереме палашмалла, продак, менжен дизайн.
In the 10th place is a performance by Konstantin Rizanov, songwriter and producer. He reinvented and set new trends that made the Chuvash music more appealing to younger audiences.
Es yılkulam es man şurgunye es çıhakla çiketne parne Tuğas yuk es nişan manıca es varların yıldak şirine kanıca Ebechirli plep ebechirli sanba persanba Tu ya da bezemanın yuradu.
Another duet and another mixing of genres. Alexander Arsentiev and Dinar Yunusov's song may be the most viewed Chuvash video that features opera voice. The number 6 on the list is a concert video from the YouTube channel Sergei Smirnov, the most viewed YouTube channel in Chuvash. The featured artist is Alina Mikhailova. She is very relatable and sings in an undeniably folksy style that hits home with the audiences, and so the views are there for her all the time.
Тустандыш табансем анманчер, кизек шуечен ханана. Тереке бересем анванчер, ахсы вот пудача кагана. Пудер сывлах пудер, растян не товансень. Ата не зень, куга житень.
There's yet another quite interesting work. It came from a synth-pop band called Idova from Cheboksary. This one made an unusual round of shares in social media among the Russian-speaking Chuvash audiences. Ironically, the song they made in Chuvash is their most popular so far. The lyrics are taken from the poem Narspi, a sinister story of love and redemption. The imperfect pronunciation, the unemotional delivery by the lead singer are such an amazing take on this classic poem. Generally, duets are very popular, but this one offers double the pleasure because it features the favorite artists. The number 9 video is from Farida's new YouTube channel. We must mention that Farida is a crossover Tatar artist who likes to sing in Chuvash. The next honorable mention is taken from the YouTube channel of Pavel Zaitsev. It expresses themes of love of your family and your country. Needless to say, it is called The Truth.
Салам сирехи тепле юладашсем Итлер аслымень галаныне Волосана сиенна санюбаме Тюре жулыши не дома вола пулаже Адира чувашсем Уранари бир берле.
In the 8th place are Pyotr Yermolaev and Andrei Shadrikov. Now, this one is a long-standing comedic duo. Personally, I think this is not their best effort, but it still managed to get many views on the channel Varun Film.
Kamba jarshi bidavan Herzen zasi yanda yan Kamba jarshi nimge marda Kamba jarshi nimge mar Vaya dusa shak herzene Şugar darma bidavan.
Another video from Sergei Smirnov channel is a compilation of 3 songs by Denis Antipov, the sweetheart of Chuvashia, the most sought-after pop artist. Despite the fact that he made few new appearances this past year, he is still one of the most viewed. Number 4 is a concert video of Polina Borisova. She and the video producers of a foreign film are a powerful match. Although Polina has been around since the late 90s, it is this collaboration that reinvented and re-established her as the most current performer. Next Yet is another successful project by Voronfilm. We know from the interviews with the producer Konstantin Rizanov that the number 3 on our list here is one of his most controversial songs. The older generations just don't like the use of Chuvash language in this playful way, which they consider immodest. In the second place we have gorgeous Alina Selbi, who is a folk singer herself, presenting the best Chuvash music videos of 2020. The show is published on the channel Shaman TV and has gathered almost 100,000 views.
Шины клипсен сентябри, кергунне духна, уих пахивель япла талендеремеш. Кашни кадрда азамлых, хастарлых, тада хюхемлих. Русталинова, Алина Корнилова, юрлама білешігна мар, тискер чердюнзем, курткапшангызен чригине деланаще. Пикезенчен, хыжы уих, хыжы хевель, ламзах каймарым хайбе. Тен изир хаклы телеграф-систем, юры роликне курзасын.
And here it is, the number 1 most viewed YouTube video in the Chuvash language of 2021, a concert video from the channel of singer Farida. A duet with Sergei Pavlov received more than 100,000 views. You may still wonder why this video is in English. The answer is Chuvash and so many other languages are not available options in YouTube or other platforms. We are here for smaller voices to be heard. And I, Victor, don't say goodbye to you. Let's connect in other videos.